國戲曲同詩歌承載住深厚嘅文化底蘊，呢種藝術交融嘅魅力吸引海外詩人遠道而嚟走入中國。佢哋嘅第一站就係粵港澳大灣區，嚟自阿拉伯國家嘅青年詩人、漢學家同中國嘅詩人代表齊聚廣州，互相交流詩歌創作同粵劇藝術，喺粵韻聲中碰撞出靈感嘅火花。
I love trees. I love the greenness of the trees, and I will definitely bring back some memories of the beautiful trees of Guangzhou. So that's an element that I will definitely carry on with me.
中國詩人林麗君為國際詩人講解粵劇服飾同粵劇詩詞，幾位阿拉伯詩人更加換上粵劇戲服，跟演員學習簡單嘅水袖動作同表演技巧。
我會跟他們講一些服裝上的它的一些代表的意思，還有一些詩詞，我會一邊跟他們講解一些詩詞，讓他們了解我們的這些台詞，他們是如何從一個古詩詞，然後演變下來，慢慢變成一個台詞這樣子。
And this is a real poem. I really like it, like the details, the color, like everything in it. I was like saying everything in the culture is about poetry.